There's a low green valley by the old Kentucky shore, where wild many happy hours away, a sitting and a singing by the little cottage door, where lived my darling Nellie Gray. When the moon had climbed the mountain and the stars were shining too, then I'd take my darling Nellie Gray, and we'd float down the river in my little red canoe, while my banjo sweetly I would play. Oh, my poor Nellie Gray, they have taken you away, and I never see my darling anymore. I'm sitting by the river and I'm weeping all the day, for you've gone from the old Kentucky shore. One night I went to see her, but she's gone, the neighbors say. The white man bound her with his chain. They have taken her to Georgia for to wear her life away, as she toils in the cotton and the cane. My canoe is underwater and my banjo is unstrung. I'm tired of living anymore. My eyes, they look downward, and my song shall be unsung while I stay on the old Kentucky shore. Oh, my poor Nellie Gray, they have taken you away. I'll never see my darling anymore. I'm sitting by the river, I'm weeping all the day, for you've gone from the old Kentucky shore. My eyes are getting blinded and I cannot see my way. Hark, there's someone is knocking at my door. Oh, I hear the angels calling and I see my Nellie Gray. Farewell to the old Kentucky shore. Oh, my dear Nellie Gray, up in heaven, so they say, but they'll never take you from me anymore. I'm a comin', comin', comin' as the angels clear my way. Farewell to the old Kentucky shore.